Welcome to Suri Daily English, the podcast, a leading English podcast channel.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Suri Daily English. I'm Suri.
And I'm Alex. It's great to be here with you today, Suri.
Great to have you, Alex. Today we have a super important and super fun topic. We're going to learn how to talk about ourselves in English. It's called self-introduction.
Tell me about yourself. That's a very common question, isn't it?
Exactly. People ask this question all the time when you meet new friends, in a new English class, or even at a new job.
Yes, it can feel a little bit difficult to know what to say sometimes. Many students tell me, "Oh, Alex, I don't know how to start."
That's why we're here. Today, we will make it easy and fun. We will learn many simple sentences to help you introduce yourself. We will practice together.
Sounds perfect. So, even if you are a beginner, this lesson is for you. We will focus on simple English, easy to understand and easy to use.
Yes, exactly. And before we start, please remember to subscribe to Suri Daily English. Click the like button and share this video with your friends and family. It helps us a lot.
It really does. So, Suri, are you ready to start our self-introduction journey?
I am ready, Alex. Let's make learning English easy and fun. Okay, Alex, let's start with the first thing you say, a greeting.
Right. The simplest ones are hello and hi. Everyone knows those. Very easy.
Yes, but we can learn some other common greetings too. How about hey?
Hey is very common and friendly, like hey Suri or hey Alex. It's good for friends or people your age.
Good. What about good morning, good afternoon, and good evening?
These are very polite. Good morning is for the morning, from around 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. Good afternoon is for the afternoon, from 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. And good evening is for the evening, after 6 p.m. It's good to use these in new situations, or if you want to be a bit more formal. For example, good morning, everyone. Or, if you meet your teacher, good afternoon, teacher.
Very clear. So if it's 10 a.m., I say good morning. If it's 3 p.m., I say good afternoon. And if it's 8 p.m., I say good evening.
Exactly. Very good. For beginners, it's safe to use hello, hi, and hey. Also, good morning, afternoon, evening are very good.
So everyone, you can say hello, hi, hey, or good morning, afternoon, evening. Try saying them now.
Let's practice. Hello,
Hi,
hey,
good morning,
good afternoon.
good evening.
Very good.
Next, after the greeting, you tell your name. How do we do that, Alex?
The easiest way is my name is or I am. Very simple and clear.
Let's practice. My name is Suri.
My name is Alex.
And you can also say, I am Suri.
Yes, I am Alex. Both are correct and very common.
So let's try together. Hello, my name is Suri.
Hi, I'm Alex.
Perfect. Everyone, try to say your name now. Say, hello, my name is your name.
Or, hi, I'm your name. Take your time. Great job. After names, people often ask, "Where are you from?" This means what country or city is your home country, your origin.
Ah, yes. And how do we answer?
You say, "I am from country or city."
Okay, let's try. I am from the USA.
"I am from Canada."
So simple. Everyone, try it. I am from your country. Say it now. I am from.
You can also say, "I am nationality." For example, "I am Canadian." If you are from Vietnam, you are Vietnamese. If you are from the USA, you are American.
And I am American.
That's a good one too. So choose the one you like. "I am from" or "I am nationality." Both are very clear.
Let's combine. Hello, my name is Siri. I am from the USA.
"Hi, I'm Alex. I am from Canada." Very good. Sometimes people ask, "Where do you live?" This means what city or town is your home now, your current home.
Yes, and you can say, I live in city or town. I live in California. It is a very beautiful state.
I live in London. London is also a very big city.
So, everyone, I live in your city. Easy, right? I live in.
Very easy. Let's combine everything we have learned so far.
Ready.
Everyone, listen carefully. Hello, my name is Alex. I am from Canada. I live in London. I am 30 years old. I am a teacher. I like listening to music and playing sports. Nice to meet you.
Wow, that's great, Alex. Very clear and easy to understand. My turn. Hi, I'm Suri. I am from the USA. I live in California. I am 27 years old. I am a teacher. I like reading books and cooking. I have a cat named Luna. Pleasure to meet you.
Fantastic, Suri. You see, everyone, it's not so difficult. You just need to practice these simple sentences. You can choose what to say.
Yes, you don't need to say everything. Maybe just your name, where you're from, and your job, or your name and your hobby. It depends on the situation.
For example, if you are in an English class, you can say, "Hello, my name is Alex. I am from Canada. I like learning English." Simple.
Or at a party, hi, I'm Suri. I like to cook and meet new people.
Very good.
So everyone watching and listening, now it's your turn.
Yes, we want you to practice. Go to the comments section below this video.
And tell us about yourself. You can write 1 or 2 sentences, or 3 sentences.
For example, you can write, "Hello, my name is your name. I am from your country." Or, "I am a student. I like your hobby." Maybe my favorite food is your food. Maybe my favorite color is color. Or I don't like food I don't like.
Yes, anything you want to share from today's lesson. We would love to read your comments and learn a little about you. We will check the comments.
We will read your comments and maybe help you if you have any questions or if you want to make it better. It will be so much fun to read about everyone.
Wow, Alex, time flies when you're having fun. This was a great lesson. I learned a lot from you.
It was, and I hope our listeners learned a lot too. We learned many simple ways to introduce ourselves.
Remember, everyone, our key tips. Tip 1. Keep it simple. Don't try to use very difficult words when you are a beginner. Simple is best.
Tip 2, be friendly. A smile is very important. It makes you and the other person feel comfortable.
Tip 3, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Learning English is about trying. Everyone makes mistakes. It's okay. We learn from mistakes.
Tip 4, practice, practice, practice. Speak to yourself, speak to your friends, speak to your family, speak to your pet. Just speak English.
That's right, Alex. And one very important thing, confidence. Even if you feel a little bit shy or nervous, try to be confident. Look at the person, smile, and speak clearly.
Yes, body language is important. Don't cross your arms like this. Keep your arms open like this. It shows you are open and friendly.
Even if you don't feel 100% confident inside, try to show it on the outside. This helps you feel more confident over time.
That's perfect advice, Suri. Tell me about yourself is not a scary question. It's an invitation to share a little bit about yourself.
Exactly. It's a start to a new conversation, a new friendship, and we hope this lesson was helpful for all our listeners.
I hope so too. Thank you all for listening and watching today. We love having you here.
Thank you, Alex. It was a pleasure to teach with you. Before we go, please subscribe to Suri Daily English. It helps us make more lessons for you. Hit the like button on this video if you found it useful, and share this video with your friends who are learning English.
And remember our challenge in the comments below. Tell us about yourself. We are excited to read your introductions.
We will be back soon with another fun and easy English lesson.
Stay safe, keep practicing your English, and be confident.
Goodbye for now.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.